All right, friends, we are going to move on to addition with regrouping. So I'm going to write a problem up here. Let's do 48 plus 35 equals something. Okay, so 48 plus 35. I can use all of the strategies that I tried to use before, but something special has to happen. So let's talk about traditional because it's the most efficient strategy. Efficient means accurate and easy, quickly and easy, but accurate. So I'm going to start with my first number, 48, and I'm going to stack my second number right underneath and set it up like that. I have my addition symbol here, and I have my line. That's my equal sign. Okay. Now I'm going to look at the ones place first. You have to look the ones place first because of what's about to happen. So 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 equals 13. I can't put 13 down here. So what I have to do is I keep the 3 and 13 down there, but I carry the 1 over to the tens place, okay? So the 3 stays there, and I carry the 1 over to the tens place. Then I add that 1 in with the rest of those numbers. So 1 plus 4 equals 5, and 5 plus 3 equals 8. So my number is 83. It's a little hard to see. 83, okay? This carrying the 1 is the most efficient strategy, but for those of you that like pictures or some other strategies, here's what some of those other strategies look like. All right, let's do base 10 and see what it looks like. So with base 10 blocks, I have to draw each number because I'm adding them together. So I start with 4 ones or 4 tens, and 8 ones. Okay, and then I add 3 tens and 5 ones. Okay, and then I can add those together. So if I add up all my ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I have 10 ones, I can bundle those up and make a 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cross all these guys off and then make a 10 over here. Just adding a 10 over there, okay? Now I can just count my 10s and my 1s. I have 3 1s and how many 10s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those match up, okay? Another strategy I could use is the sidewalk strategy. So here's what that looks like. I can start with 40 plus 30 equals 70. And then I can do 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Now, here's where this gets a little bit different when you have to regroup. 70 plus 13, it doesn't go nice and neatly together. So you have to add these numbers together. So if I do that, it would look like 70 plus 10 equals 80. And then my 0 and my 1, 0 plus 3 equals 3. Now I have my 83. Oops. My 83, okay? So a little bit tricky. Those of you who like to use stringing numbers does not work efficiently with when you have to regroup. So that's why I'm not going to put it up on here, okay? Can you use number line? Absolutely we can. So let's do a little number line over here. Let's start with 48. I have to add 3 tens. So plus 10 is 38. Plus another 10 is, 58. I'm making a lot of mistakes today. Plus another 10 is 68. Plus another 10 is 78. Now I have to add 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that leaves me with 83. Okay. If number line makes sense to you, go ahead and use it. Otherwise, traditional is your fastest, your quickest, and your easiest strategy. You just have to remember to stack those ones on top. And then when you add the ones place, you've got to remember to carry your 1 and add it in. Okay. So that's how we regroup with addition.